Very good morning, class 11. So let's start our class with this Silk Road chapter only, written by Nick Middleton. Although we have covered all the reading portion. Now, if you will come to the page number 82, right? They are the question answers. If you will see that understanding the text, whatever the questions are there and give reasons or briefly comment on the few lines, we have covered all those questions in our daily worksheets also. Like we have covered the question why this article has been called Silk Road, why Tibetan mysteries were popular in China's imperial courts. In the next one also the authors meeting with Norbu, send support to the authors during the journey. So we have discussed or we have covered up all these questions in our worksheets. Now there are two long questions which I really want to discuss with you. Now, two long questions here. The first question which I really want to discuss is about author's Hor experience. So, what was his experience at that place? Hor. So, there can be a question as a short one and as a long one too. So, we are discussing as a long one. If by chance short question can come on this, you can adjust the word limit. But let's discuss for the long answer question. So, if the question would come related to author's Hor experience, right? How he had the experience there. So you need to specify that he made a stark or a total contrast actually with the earlier experiences. Remember, there is a Lake Mansarovar. So how he enjoyed there, or he was not he was sad there, and how he made the contrast with the other experiences. Even we got to know about one Ikai Kawaguchi. When he went there, he was so mesmerized by that lake that he became so emotional, and in reality he was not that emotional person. Then another person from Sven Hidden, even he went there. He also got tears in his eyes. He got sentimental when he noticed the soothness of that lake, when he noticed that peace and calm thing there. But for author, his experience was totally different. So he was not able to understand. He said that according to him, it was a very dirty and miserable place. There was no vegetation and all. So he had a very different experience with the other two ones. So you need to describe everything in this. Next, another important 6-marker question can be here. Author's description about the Dachan place, or how was his journey actually. So you need to mention that he was very disappointed with that rubbish and everything. There can be a question for that, as I mentioned about that Darchan place. So how he was disappointed with all those stuff. Although sun was shining, the air was very clear, the sky was clear. There were few general stores. There were the cigarettes. Men and women, they were working there. They were washing their hair. They were working. There was only one cafe. The windows were broken, everything. And he was upset that there was the absence of pilgrims. So he and had this kind of the experience there at the Dachan, right? So how he visited there, how what kind of things happened with him, the journey, what kind of a journey he had. He became ill also. He went to the college and everything. So you need to cover up all these stuffs in that. So these two questions you need to cover up according to the 6 marker. It can come for the 2 marker, the short one also, but here for the 5 or 6 marker you need to understand. So I really hope this chapter is clear to you. If you're having still doubt related to this chapter, clear your doubt. Don't keep the doubts with you. Read it again. And if any doubt, clear it out. So send the worksheets timely. God bless you all. And next week we are going to start with the next chapter from the snapshot book. Thank you.